Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing well. I have already explained you the chapter number 1, importance of chemistry. Now today I will discuss question answers and book exercises with you. So in your book, page number 9, few questions are given. Question number 1 is, name any 5 things made with the application of chemistry that are found in. So there is D part is given. As you know, chemistry is everywhere, and we are using lots of things that is made up from, that we get from chemistry only. So from your pencil box we can, or from our pencil box we can get pencil, crayons, anything. So you have to write only one name. From the kitchen we can get so many processed food item, or marble and all, that is also made from chemistry. Now in the bathroom we can get toothpaste, shampoo and other thing. In the classroom, chalk. Now question number 2 is, name any 3 biological processes that happen in our bodies which are explained on the basis of chemistry. So 3 I have written here. First one is digestion, respiration and excretion. Same way, question number 3, how is chemistry involved in the life of plants? State any 2 example. So first one is photosynthesis. From this process they can make their own food in the form of glucose. And respiration, the same thing, they can oxidize their food. Now next question is, list any 5 material we can use in our day-to-day life. The same thing, it is also the same for like us question number 1. So this you do by yourself. Next one is, list any 5 discoveries of the modern era of chemistry. So the answer is periodic table, X-rays, radium, structure of electron, proton, neutron, and discovery of or invention of polythene. These are the 5 things, very important thing, that plays a very important role in the modern chemistry, in the era of modern chemistry. Question number 2 is, fill in the blanks. According to Aristotle, matter is made up of fire, air, water and earth. B part is, dash proposed the Boyle's law. Who proposed? The scientist name is Robert Boyle. C part is, the scientist known for inventing dynamite is Alfred Nobel. Now D part is, dash is also called the father of modern chemistry. Answer is Antoine Lavoisier. Now I will we are discussing here, but I will give you the worksheet also, so no need to write. Now this is the main backside book exercises. First is MCQ type, choose the correct option. So in this, A part is, chemistry is the branch of science that deals with the study of matter. Answer is matter. B part is, dash propose the atomic theory of matter. Answer is Dalton. C part is, antacids are the medicine that help us to relieve acidity. D part is, dash is a type of thermosetting plastic and the answer is bakelite. E part is, the first semi-synthetic fiber to be manufactured was rayon. Now children, I have already explained you in my earlier videos all these in detail. Now question number 2, as I have already given in the homework, but I am discussing here with you so that you can match your answers also. And if you have any doubt in any book exercise or any line or any paragraph of your book, just underline that line or that paragraph, or write the question, whatever you find difficulty in understanding and learning. So write down. Whenever school will open, you can ask me. I will again explain you this chapter or related exercises. Now question number 2 is, write any 2 functions of the following. First one is synthetic fiber. So synthetic fiber is rayon and nylon. I have included rayon also because it is also synthetic fiber. It is semi-synthetic, but it will come under the synthetic, not purely organic one, natural one. B is two food additives. Example we have to give. Now here one I have taken from the natural one and one is artificial one. So here you can take turmeric also, but I have written here beetroot and sodium benzoate. Blended fibers, terracotta and terry wool. Fertilizer, urea and potash. Antibiotics, penicillin and streptomycin. Part 3 is match the following. So you can see in the match the following, structure of atom. So structure of atom is given by Rutherford. Then oxygen, who discovered oxygen? So the scientist name is Priestley. Now who discovered electron? Scientist name is J.J. Thomson. Who discovered ozone hole? Answer is Mario Molina. He discovered. And who discovered the radioactivity? Who made the radioactive substance? Answer is Madame Curie. Now few questions today I am going to, in short I am going to discuss with you, and in detail I will send you in a worksheet so that you can see and you can write in your copy. So first one is, what is food processing? What is food processing? So children, food processing is the way in which the nature of some food item is changed through physical or chemical reaction, either by heating or by freezing. For example, we can prepare cheese by heating, and then we can add certain chemicals to milk also, so that cheese can be stored for a longer period of time, longer duration of time, without any spoilage and all. Now B part is, write any two ways in which chemistry has helped in agriculture. So in agriculture, manufacturing or invention of fertilizer and pesticide plays a very important role. It helps a farmer because pesticides, as you know, pesticides kill the pest. They are the chemical substances that kill the pest and protect the crops of the farmer from the pest. Okay, so basically pesticide kill the pest harm the crop so that they can protect. Now fertilizer, what is the role of fertilizer? As you all know children, fertilizers improve the fertility of the soil, and it also enhances the growth of a plant so that farmers can grow their crops and they can get good yield of the crops. Now C part is, why do processed food last longer than natural food? So the answer is, because the processed food contain high amount of preservatives which prevent them from spoilage. It prevents the growth of the bacteria, activity of the growth of the bacteria also, so that they can last longer. D part is also very easy. I have explained you in my video that why is cotton fiber is a polymer. So the answer is because it is made up of long chains of repeated unit called monomers. That's why it is called polymer. Now E part is, how do certain food items have the flavor of mango when they do not actually contain mango? We are eating so much ice cream flavor also, even we are making cake and all, we are adding essence to it, vanilla essence and other essence to it. Okay, these all are food additives, flavoring agent. So they do not they are not real fruit or real vanilla fruit. They are in the powdered form, essence of the food. Okay, so the answer is, they are made up of flavoring agent. That's why they have the flavor of mango. They are not actually a mango fruit. Now what is the purpose of food additives? So the purpose of food additives is, I have already explained you that they preserve our food from the spoilage. They stop the growth of bacteria. They improve our taste. They improve the taste of the food. they enrich the food with certain nutrients. We can add certain additional nutrients to the food, and they make our food more attractive. So these are the few questions. That also, all these questions I will give in a written also in my worksheet. I will send you, okay, within 2 days. So hope you all understood. Match your answers. If you find any difficulty, just mark it. As I said, mark it, write a question in your copy. Whenever school will reopen, we will discuss it back. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.